This pizza was made on a sourdough crust. Like this video, comment down below sourdough, and I'll post part 2 on how you can make the sourdough crust. Let's get inside. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making a sourdough pizza. I'm going to be making a marinara pizza, classic marinara, except I didn't have any dried oregano. Instead of going to the store, I just had this Get Pizza topping. It has some oregano, garlic, red pepper, so I'm just going to use this. But again, this is on a sourdough crust, so if you've already liked and commented down video, I'll go to make and show you how I did the first part of making the whole sourdough. So let's get into making the pizza. This is a 48-hour dough recipe. As you can see, the dough is looking pretty good. These are about 260 each. So let's get this one right here, and I'll be using my Gozney Arc. It's been preheating now. And the sourdough is good, it's light, it's easy digestible. Overall flavor is just, amazing. So every once in a while, I like to make a sourdough, especially if I have an active sourdough. And again, you'll find that second recipe being posted in the next couple of days on how you can make the sourdough. So again, like and comment down sourdough. So let's go ahead and get this stretched out. It's nice and airy. Again, a marinara pizza just has some oregano, garlic, and sauce and Parmesan, so no cheese. But we're gonna get this stretched out, get that bubble popped. And we're just getting this nice and stretched. I'm gonna get that bubble popped as well. All right, so we're gonna get our pill. And I'm stretching from the outside, getting this nice and round. And again, this is 260, so it should make a good 12-inch pizza, good personal size pizza. So just get that like that. All right, and we're going down with our sauce. Again, it's just a red tomato sauce, crushed tomatoes, nice and red, smells amazing. All right, and again, it is chopped or sliced garlic. And we're just making sure we put enough all around. All right, go down with some more Parmesan. And you could do a heavy amount. And again, like I said, being that I don't have oregano, I'm just gonna go ahead and just sprinkle on some of this mix here. And then we'll do one little final stretch. And the dough feels nice and soft, so it feels pretty good. All right, so we're gonna go out to the Gozney Arc XL like I've stated. All right, I'm going into the oven here. And we're just going to go ahead and get this turned down. And I'm just going to be watching this. Get that turned up just a little bit. See, the crust is cooking nicely. I'm gonna get that turned up just a little bit. Let's take a look at this bottom. Bottom's looking pretty good. All right. So we'll go ahead and get right underneath it, and we're spinning it all the way around. Take a look at that bottom, looking good. So like I said, this is a 48-hour sourdough recipe. And again, you can also learn how to make it as well just by commenting down sourdough, liking this video, and I will be posting the full recipe shortly after that. So we're just spinning this all the way around. Bottom's looking good. Alright, so we're almost finished. Alright, just gonna finish off this last piece right here. Bottom is nice and crispy. Alright, and just like that, this is the pizza. This is a marinara pizza on sourdough crust. Let's get it inside. Alright, so now that this pizza's cooled down, let's take a look at this. Beautiful, nice brown crust. Nice and crispy. Again, this was just a marinara pizza, tomato sauce, garlic, some oregano mixture, and tomato sauce and Parmesan. Again, super simple, but it tastes so good. Again, sourdough, let's take a look at that bottom. Nice and cooked all the way through. So let's go ahead and let's get a bite into this. You can tell, nice and crispy. It smells amazing against the sourdough. So if you haven't commented down below, again, comment sourdough, like this video, and I'll get part 2 up with the full recipe on how you can make this pizza. And so let's get this piece right here. Again, nice airy crust, bottom's looking good. Let's get a taste of this crust. Oh yeah, it's nice, it's light, it's just such a good overall flavor. Let's get some of this. No flop, just the way I like it. So yeah, overall such a good pizza. Again, if you guys like this video, comment down sourdough, like this video. Comment, let me know if you guys have any questions. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John. This was just a simple marinara on sourdough. We'll talk to you soon.